Cynthia Aspatian in the hospital. She won't get her receipt. Dinda as pharmacist in there.
Excuse me. Hello, is there anything I can help you with? Yes, I want to buy medicine. Okay, may I know the name of the drug? I want to read it. Of course, would I order the name? Is there a doctor's prescription? Yes, of course. Wait a minute. First, the receipt. Okay, then wait a moment.
Dinda also took the medicine according to the doctor's prescription.
Well, this is the medicine. Take the medicine 3 times a day before eating. What happens if I drink it before eating this? Sorry, but based on the rules, we must. Like that, thank you.